We're gonna fix these Costco shrimps. Look at them. It says there, cilantro, lime. So we're gonna put some. Already put some, and we're gonna mix it. The ingredients, I think they're gonna go better for these shrimps, right? So what we're gonna do first is maybe we can start with the spices, with the real spices. I love oregano, so we're gonna put oregano. Don't ask me for measurements because I never measure. I don't know, John.
We just estimate.
That I don't know, John. So I got some rosemary.
Probably we're not the expert cook, but we are intermediate.
Nah, I mean, I'm an expert. Who says no? Of course I'm an expert. I'm gonna put more lime.
So what kind of this menu?
What?
What
I
kind
like
of?
shrimp cocktail.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Look. Shrimp cocktailito. Shrimp cocktailito. Shrimp cocktailito. Some tomatoe. So you call it as tomato? You guys, it's known as tomato. I call it tomatoe. Just kidding. Of course not. I call it jitomate, chavos. Jitomatongo. This knife is so dull. It's so dull. I need another knife, chavos. Because it's too dull. Like a bow. Looks nice. It's sharp. So I should sharpen it this time. Ay, papa. You want some sauce? You like jitomate. You want some, Maria? El cosibombi de mamitas. She doesn't like it, so goes. Don't criticize me like I'm my dogs and whatever.
Nobody's perfect in this world.
Nobody's perfect. And they love to eat tomatoe. Because remember, the word of the day is tomatoe. Okay? You get me? Am I not too far? You don't want to get closer to my work area? Look. Oh shit. I'm gonna use some habaneros that I haven't used for so long. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this one. Washing. I'm gonna take the tail first. The stem. It has to be very, very fine. Fine. Very good. Very, very good. Habaneruki, papa. Spicy, because remember this house is spicy house. Spicy family. Spicy temper.
For both. Mr. and Mrs.
Mrs. Explosions.
Well, that's Mr. Explosion. No, Mrs. Explosion.
Oh shit.
No. Sir.
Let me go pick that up because. So, what do you guys think about pepinillo? Pepinote. Pepinillo.
Tell them about your sauce over there, babe.
This one.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Chavalona. What did I always say to you? Use the right tools, remember? So, that's why we have a peeler. Do you know this hack? Like you can go back and forth. Look. And go back. Look. Go in. Oh shit. And go back. Throw away this thing. This is it's not a shrimp cocktail because I'm putting pepino. So I'm adding up the pepino is like more like ceviche. You know, my mom taught me, teach me. In the kitchen, there's no rules. However you feel it. And today I feel this, chavos. So, no se agüiten. No se agüiten de pepinos, and you know what? I'm gonna save half for later on the snack. Get it, Sus. Papinito perringos. Are you okay, baby?
Yeah.
You don't get tired of recording this beautiful man?
Excuse you.
So this one, I'm gonna save it for later. This is gonna be the
Midnight snack.
midnight snack, midnight lover. What is the name of that song? There's a song, right? Midnight something. Ooh, already spicy. So now we're gonna use the real cilantro. This is real cilantro. Coriander. Ay, qué corriente eres, coriander. You make it roll, you make it like a little bolita. You put it here. Watch out, you don't get your hands close to you. What's going on? Okay, look. Chavalones, now we are talking, chavos. Okay, what else? And now, the secret ingredient. Salsa bruja. Salsa bruja. Smell it, baby. Smell it, the public, you can smell it. Just a little bit because it's super intense. And I'm not gonna tell you the secret. Maybe I'm gonna tell you the secret, but next video. When I do, I have to do more. Salsa bruja, remember, chavos. That's the key. That's the key of the recipe. And of course, like a shrimp cocktail. Ketchup. Ketchup. You mix it, chavitos. Mix it, pinches perros abusados. You mix it, chavos. Ya no más, cabrón. Ya no más. Ay, papá, and the smell. Ay, Panterovsky. You know? You think it's... I don't know if it's right.
There's one over there.
Oh, you and I have this because I have tennis elbow. It's called the oro verde. The oro verdecito de verdezón. Yeah, to do it like here because oh no, it's too hard, babe. No, it's too hard, babe. Look, but I don't know. It's hard, but look.
It looks ready.
It looks ready.
Try it first. If it's not bitter, it's good.
No, it's not. This is not gonna be bitter. Remember, chavos, be careful when you do this because the knife can go through and cut your hands. You have to be very careful. You need experience or stupid. And that's why, chavos. Oh well, we already have. Yeah. What do you think about more lime?
Okay, sounds good.
More lime? How about avocado?
Yeah, you want to put the whole thing?
You can put the whole thing. Come on. Okay. Remember, only Mexicans can do this. Chavos. Look. Be careful. Repeat, be careful. Even me as a Mexican, I'm scared. Imagine you that you are not Mexican and you don't know how to do this. That's why they sell this like avocado cutter in Subway. Do you see it? You see it? The avocado cutter?
No.
You never saw it?
In Safeway?
In some, yeah, they have Subway and many places. Okay. Avocado. Ay, papito chulo, ya nomás. Ya nomás, loco. A ver. Deliciosísimo.
Let's put the whole thing, babe.
Because this is hard, babe.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Oh, but it tastes so good. Oh my goodness. 10 out of 10. Yeah. 10 out of 10,000, chavos. Ah, no, ¿verdad? That's too poquito. 10 out of 9.
is that done?
Now, chips.
Thanks for watching or share and subscribe.